Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Snapchat and accessing your profile. This gets you directly to settings related to notifications. Tap the Bitmoji or avatar at the top left, then scan the screen for the gear icon. That gear is your settings entry point. Make sure you're in the account whose notifications you want enabled, because account-specific preferences won't sync across other logins. Once done, tap the gear to move into settings and prepare to change notification controls. You'll now scroll within settings until you find notifications. This is where Snapchat groups all alert controls. Tap notifications to reveal a master toggle, turn it on if it's off, since that allows the specific types below to work. Next, review the list. Chat, stories, mentions, friend requests, and more. Toggle each item you want unmuted. Make deliberate choices. If you keep everything on, expect more interruptions. If you only enable essentials, notifications stay focused. Finally, handle per conversation mutes that aren't in settings. Open the chat for any person or group that's silent, then tap their profile or the chat header to access message notifications. If it's set to muted or only stories, change it to all messages so you receive alerts again. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off for that chat and that your phone system notifications allow Snapchat. Troubleshooting tip: if still silent, restart the app or check your phone's notification permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.